हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एग्जाम प्लस एकेडमी। आज की इस क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे लास्ट 10 मंथ जनवरी टू अक्टूबर लास्ट 10 मंथ इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर न्यूज। इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर जितनी भी न्यूज है हम कवर करेंगे एमसीक्यूज फॉर्म में विद इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट। तो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा आपके आने वाले सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर न्यूज, स्पेशली जो भी आपका एलआईसी मेंस एग्जाम है उस एग्जाम्स के लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा। लास्ट 10 मंथ्स इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर न्यूज, जिसमें हमने जनवरी से अक्टूबर तक की सभी इंश्योरेंस न्यूज कवर करी हैं। जैसे मैंने बताया आपको एमसीक्यूज फॉर्म में रहेंगे सारे ही न्यूज और आपको कंटेंट भी प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट को आपने लाइन बाय लाइन जरूर पढ़ना है। काफी क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं और पूछे जाएंगे आने वाले एग्जाम्स में कंटेंट से। बाइलिंगुअल ये क्लास रहेगी, हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों ही लैंग्वेज में। और किसी को भी अगर पीडीएफ परचेस करना है आप लोग मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। पीडीएफ के रिगार्डिंग किसी को कोई क्वेरीज हैं आप लोग मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है। व्हाट्सएप नंबर मेंशन रहेगा हमारी हर पीपीटी के साथ, हर प्रेजेंटेशन के साथ, ठीक है। इसके अलावा आप लोग मुझे डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और अगर किसी को भी किसी भी मंथ की जनवरी टू अक्टूबर आपको बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस की कंप्लीट पीडीएफ चाहिए, मंथली पीडीएफ चाहिए, आरबीआई सर्कुलर चाहिए, या पूरा आपको 10 मंथ्स का आरबीआई सर्कुलर या बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस न्यूज कंप्लीट पीडीएफ चाहिए, तो आप लोग मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं किसी भी पीडीएफ के रिगार्डिंग, ठीक है। तो व्हाट्सएप नंबर मेंशन है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की क्लास। लास्ट 10 मंथ इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर न्यूज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, Bima Sugam, a digital platform envisioned as the world's largest integrated online insurance marketplace. Which of the following is the operating body of this platform? तो बीमा सुगम एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसकी कल्पना दुनिया के सबसे बड़े एकीकृत ऑनलाइन बीमा बाजार के रूप में की गई। निम्नलिखित में से कौन इस प्लेटफॉर्म का संचालन निकाय है? राइट आंसर बीमा सुगम इंडिया फेडरेशन, BSIF इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। ओके, क्या बोला गया है, कंटेंट देख लेते हैं। India is taking a significant step towards streamlining its insurance sector with the launch of Bima Sugam, envisioned as one-stop digital marketplace for all kind of insurance products, life, health, general, motor, travel, etc. The portal overseen by the IRDAI, full form सबको पता होगा, नहीं पता है तो याद कर लीजिए IRDAI का, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, and operated by the Bima Sugam India Federation, BSIF, is being rolled out in phase with its full transactional function expected to be enabled by December 2025। तो बोला गया है कि भारत बीमा सुगम के शुभारंभ के साथ अपने बीमा क्षेत्र को सुव्यवस्थित करने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठा रहा है, जिसे सभी प्रकार के बीमा प्रोडक्ट्स, जीवन, स्वास्थ्य, सामान्य मोटर यात्रा आदि के लिए वन स्टॉप डिजिटल बाजार के रूप में देखा गया है। भारतीय बीमा नियामक और विकास प्राधिकरण यानी कि IRDAI द्वारा देखरेख और बीमा सुगम इंडिया फेडरेशन, BSIF द्वारा संचालित पोर्टल को चरणों में रोल आउट किया जा रहा है और इसके पूर्ण लेन देन संबंधी कार्यों के दिसंबर 2025 तक सक्षम होने की उम्मीद है। ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या रहेगा, इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव, ठीक है। क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव रहेगा? टू इंक्रीज इंश्योरेंस पेनिट्रेशन, इंप्रूव ट्रांसपेरेंसी, रिड्यूस फ्रिक्शंस इन पॉलिसी सर्विंग and make insurance accessible to more people, aligned with the vision of insurance for all by 2047 and Viksit Bharat 2047। ओके, ये है इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव जो आपने देख के जाना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Who has been appointed as the chairperson of IRDAI from 1st of September 2025? 1 सितंबर 2025 से IRDAI के अध्यक्ष के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया है? अजय सेठ इज द right answer of this question, ठीक है। The government of India has appointed Ajay Seth, a seasoned bureaucrat and former finance secretary, as the new chairman of IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, a 1987 batch IAS officer from the Karnataka cadre। तो भारत सरकार ने किनको? अजय सेठ, जो पूर्व वित्त सचिव रहे हैं अजय सेठ, उनको IRDAI का नया अध्यक्ष अपॉइंट किया है। वे 1987 बैच के कर्नाटक कैडर के IAS ऑफिसर हैं। The post of IRDAI chairman has been lying vacant since March 2025 following the completions of Devasys Panda term. During the interim period, the authority functioned under acting leadership. Ajay Seth appointment comes at a critical time when the insurance sector is undergoing key reforms to improve insurance penetration, product innovation and regulatory ease. तो देवाशीष पांडा का कार्यकाल पूरा होने के बाद मार्च 2025 से IRDA का जो जो पद था वो था रिक्त, ठीक है। और इसके बाद उनके एंट्री जो वो रहा था वो किनका रहा था उस टाइम पे, अजय सेठ से देवाशीष पांडा के बाद से, ठीक है। तो अजय सेठ अभी अपॉइंट हुए हैं IRDAI के न्यू चेयरमैन 1 सितंबर से, ठीक है। चलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। उससे पहले आपको बता दूं लास्ट 9 मंथ RBI सर्कुलर की क्लास हमारी आ चुकी है। अगर आपने नहीं देखी है तो आप जाके जरूर देखिए, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। जनवरी टू सितंबर लास्ट 9 मंथ RBI सर्कुलर और PDF के रिगार्डिंग आप लोग मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। कंटेंट के साथ आपको MCQs फॉर्म में सभी RBI सर्कुलर न्यूज कवर कराई गई है, ठीक है। चलिए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन सा है? LIC लॉन्चेस जन सुरक्षा इंश्योरेंस प्लान, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम सम एश्योर्ड अंडर दिस प्लान? तो LIC के जन सुरक्षा बीमा योजना शुरू की है। इस योजना के तहत न्यूनतम बीमा राशि कितनी है? राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? 1 लाख। ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। The LIC Jan Suraksha Plan is a life microinsurance endowment plan. It offers a lump sum at maturity and life cover during the policy term. The plan includes guaranteed additions at the rate of 4% of the annualized premium each year, helping build saving over time. तो LIC जन सुरक्षा योजना एक जीवन सूक्ष्म बीमा एंडोमेंट योजना है। ये परिपक्वता पर एक मुक्त राशि और पॉलिसी अवधि के दौरान जीवन बीमा प्रदान करती है। इस योजना में वार्षिक प्रीमियम के 4% की दर से गारंटीकृत अतिरिक्त राशि शामिल है, जो समय के साथ बचत बढ़ाने में मदद करती है, ठीक है। एंट्री एज क्या रहेगी? 18 to 55 ईयर्स। पॉलिसी टर्म 12 to 20 ईयर्स। मिनिमम सम एश्योर्ड 1 लाख रुपीज। मैक्सिमम सम एश्योर्ड 2 lakh rupees in multiples of rupees 5,000. Okay. चले नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। LIC launches Bima Lakshmi insurance plan. What is the minimum sum assured under this plan? तो LIC ने बीमा लक्ष्मी बीमा योजना शुरू की है। इस योजना के तहत न्यूनतम बीमा राशि कितनी है ये पूछा गया है। What is the right answer of this question? Rupees 2 lakh is the right answer. The LIC Bima Lakshmi plan is non-linked life insurance policy with guaranteed benefits and monkey back options. It also includes critical illness coverage, making it a holistic plan for women. ठीक है, तो ये मनी बैक ऑप्शंस रहेगा इसमें। LIC बीमा लक्ष्मी योजना एक नॉन लिंक जीवन बीमा पॉलिसी है जिसमें गारंटीकृत लाभ और मनी बैक विकल्प शामिल हैं। इसमें गंभीर बीमारी कवरेज भी शामिल है, जो इसे महिलाओं के लिए एक समग्र योजना बनाता है। एंट्री एज 18 to 50 ईयर्स। पॉलिसी टर्म 25 ईयर्स। प्रीमियम पेइंग टर्म 7 to 15 years. Minimum sum assured rupees 2 lakh. No upper limit on the sum assured as per underwriting policy. Sum assured multiples rupees 10,000. Next question. During its 132 meetings, what major step did the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India take to address regulatory violations by insurers and intermediaries? तो बोला गया है कि अपनी 132वीं बैठक के दौरान IRDAI ने बीमा कंपनियों और मध्यस्थों द्वारा विनियामक उल्लंघनों को दूर करने के लिए कौन सा बड़ा कदम उठाया है? राइट आंसर फॉर्म्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन पैनल्स चेयर्ड बाय whole time members to examine regulatory breaches. Option C is the right answer of this question. IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. has formed panels of whole-time members to investigate violations of regulatory norms by insurers and intermediaries. The decision was approved during IRDAI 132 meeting amid increasing cases of mis-selling, particularly through bancassurance and issue related to claim settlements. The investigation panels are chaired by the whole-time member of IRDAI. These panels are part of IRDAI enforcement measures to examine breaches of the Insurance Act and related regulations. IRDAI also approved the R1 application of Kiwi General Insurance Limited, marking the first stage of its registrations as a new insurance company. Important information regarding the IRDAI headquarter Hyderabad. हेडक्वार्टर बिल्कुल कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, मुंबई नहीं करना IRDAI का, याद रखिएगा हैदराबाद है, ठीक है। Chairperson Ajay Seth, founded in 1999. IRDAI consists of the chairman, 5 full-time members and 4 part-time members, all appointed by the Government of India. Next question. To enhance policyholder protection and trust, the IRDAI has proposed the appointment of an dash in all insurance companies except reinsurers to handle unresolved or escalated complaints up to ₹50 लाख। तो पॉलिसी धारकों की सुरक्षा और विश्वास बढ़ाने के लिए IRDAI ने सभी बीमा कंपनियों में 50 लाख रुपए तक की अनसुलझी या बड़ी हुई शिकायतों को संभालने के लिए एक डैश किस चीज की नियुक्ति का प्रस्ताव दिया है, तो इंटरनल इंश्योरेंस एम्बड्समैन। ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। द Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India plans to introduce an internal insurance ombudsman in all insurance companies except reinsurer to strengthen policyholder protection and boost trust. The framework applies to insurer with more than 3 years of operation excluding reinsurer. Insurer must appoint an internal insurance ombudsman to handle complaints involving claims up to ₹50 lakh. Next question. Which life insurer has entered into a strategic corporate agency partnership with AU Small Finance Banks to enhance access to comprehensive insurance solutions nationwide, supporting the government insurance for all by 2047 mission? तो किस जीवन बीमा कंपनी ने सरकार के 2047 तक सभी के लिए बीमा मिशन का समर्थन करते हुए देश भर में व्यापक बीमा समाधानों तक पहुंच बढ़ाने के लिए AU स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक के साथ एक रणनीतिक कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी साझेदारी की है? राइट आंसर SBI लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ने की है। ऑप्शन डी SBI लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इज द राइट आंसर। SBI Life Insurance, one of India's largest and most trusted life insurer, entered a strategic corporate agency partnership with AU Small Finance Bank AUSFB, the country's largest small finance bank. Objective enhance access to comprehensive insurance solutions nationwide, supporting the government's insurance for all by 2047 mission. Focus provide financial protections to underserved and emerging market across India. तो भारत की सबसे बड़ी और सबसे विश्वसनीय जीवन बीमा कंपनियों में से एक SBI लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ने देश के सबसे बड़े लघु वित्त बैंक AU स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक के साथ एक रणनीतिक कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी साझेदारी की है। इसका उद्देश्य भारत सरकार के 2047 तक के सभी के लिए बीमा मिशन का समर्थन करते हुए देश भर में व्यापक बीमा समाधानों तक पहुंच बढ़ाना है और उसका फोकस भारत भर में वंचित और उभरते बाजारों को वित्तीय सुरक्षा प्रदान करना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which financial services company has partnered with Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance to provide retail insurance products to over 15 lakh customers through 502 branches nationwide? तो किस वित्तीय सेवा कंपनी ने देश भर में 502 शाखाओं के माध्यम से 15 लाख से अधिक ग्राहकों को खुदरा बीमा उत्पाद प्रदान करने के लिए बजाज एलियांज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के साथ साझेदारी की है? वो है जियोजित फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज। ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, क्या रहेगा? Option C, Geojit Financial Services. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance partnered with Geojit Financial Services to expand retail insurance products across India. The tie-up gives over 15 lakh Geojit customer access to Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance solution. Services will be available in 500 to Geojit branches nationwide. Customers can access terms plans, ULIPs, retirements, plans and saving solutions through Geojit branches. MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, Tarun Chugh. चेयरमैन एंड एमडी जियोजित फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज सीजी जॉर्ज। ठीक है, सीजे जॉर्ज। तो बजाज एलियांस लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ने पूरे भारत में खुदरा बीमा उत्पादों का विस्तार करने के लिए जियोजित फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज के साथ साझेदारी की है और इस साझेदारी से 15 लाख से ज्यादा जियोजित ग्राहकों को बजाज एलियांस लाइफ के बीमा समाधानों तक पहुंच मिलेगी। ये सेवाएं देश भर में 502 जियोजित शाखाओं में उपलब्ध होंगी। ग्राहक जियोजित शाखाओं के माध्यम से टर्म प्लान, यूएलआईपी और रिटायर्ड योजना और बचत समाधानों का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Recently, LIC has launched a nationwide campaign August 18 to October 17, 2025 to review lapse policies. What is the maximum concession of late fees offered under this campaign? तो हाल ही में LIC ने बंद हो चुकी पॉलिसियों को पुनर्जीवित करने के लिए राष्ट्रव्यापी अभियान 18 अगस्त से 17 अक्टूबर 2025 तक शुरू किया। इस अभियान के तहत विलंब शुल्क पर अधिकतम कितनी छूट दी जाएगी? 30% और ₹5,000। ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर। ठीक है, कितनी दी जाएगी? 5,000 रुपये, 30%। ठीक है। LIC has launched a nationwide campaign to help policyholders review their lapsed individual insurance policies. The campaign is in effect from August 18 to October 17, 2025. It offers a special concession on late fees of up to 30% with a maximum limit of ₹5,000 for non-linked insurance plans. The campaign is for policies that have lapsed due to non-payment of premium but are still within the revival period of 5 years from the date of the first unpaid premium. तो LIC ने पॉलिसी धारकों को उनकी बंद हो चुकी व्यक्तिगत बीमा पॉलिसियों को पुनर्जीवित करने में मदद के लिए एक राष्ट्रव्यापी अभियान शुरू किया है। ये अभियान 18 अगस्त से 17 अक्टूबर 2025 तक प्रभावी रहा और ये गैर लिंक बीमा योजनाओं के लिए 30% तक की विलंब शुल्क पर विशेष छूट प्रदान करता है, जिसकी अधिकतम सीमा 5,000 रुपये है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। HDFC ERGO General Insurance has partnered with which digital platform to launch an affordable health insurance product for the missing middle? तो HDFC ERGO जनरल इंश्योरेंस ने लापता मध्यम वर्ग के लिए किफायती स्वास्थ्य बीमा उत्पाद लॉन्च करने के लिए किस डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ साझेदारी की है? वो की है फोन पे के साथ। ठीक है, फोन पे इज द राइट आंसर। क्या बोला गया है कंटेंट में? HDFC ERGO General Insurance Company has partnered with PhonePe to launch an affordable health insurance product. The product is designed to serve the missing middle, which refers to individuals who are typically not covered by health insurance. The affordable premium starts from as low as ₹12 per day or around ₹4,380 annually. For a coverage of ₹3 lakh, the policy can be purchased instantly through the PhonePe app. The target demographic for this new solution is primarily first-time insurance buyers aged 18 to 30 years. तो HDFC ERGO जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ने किफायती स्वास्थ्य बीमा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने के लिए फोन पे के साथ साझेदारी की है। ये प्रोडक्ट मिसिंग मिडिल वर्ग की जरूरतों को पूरा करने का डिजाइन किया गया है, जो आमतौर पर स्वास्थ्य बीमा से वंचित व्यक्तियों को संदर्भित करता है। किफायती प्रीमियम ₹3 लाख के कवरेज के लिए ₹12 प्रतिदिन या लगभग ₹4,380 वार्षिक से शुरू होते हैं। पॉलिसी फोन पे ऐप के माध्यम से तुरंत खरीदी जा सकती है। इस नए समाधान के लिए लक्षित जनसांख्यिकी मुख्य रूप से 18 से 30 वर्ष की आयु की पहली बार बीमा खरीदने वाले लोग हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Recently, LIC celebrated its 69th anniversary on 1st of September 2025. What was LIC market share in policies during financial year 25? तो हाल ही में LIC ने 1 सितंबर 2025 को अपना 69वां वर्षगांठ मनाई है। वित्त वर्ष 2025 के दौरान पॉलिसियों में LIC की बाजार हिस्सेदारी क्या थी? 65.83% थी। ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। LIC celebrated its 69th anniversary on 1st of September 2025, showcasing its leadership and digital transformation efforts. LIC retained 65.83% market share in policies and 57.05% in first year premium incoming during financial year 25. तो क्या बोला गया है? LIC ने 1 सितंबर 2025 को अपनी 69वीं वर्षगांठ मनाई, जिसमें उसने अपने नेतृत्व और डिजिटल परिवर्तन प्रयासों का प्रदर्शन किया। LIC ने वित्त वर्ष 2025 के दौरान पॉलिसियों में 65.83% बाजार हिस्सेदारी और प्रथम वर्ष की प्रीमियम आय में 57.05% हिस्सेदारी बरकरार रखी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Recently, ICICI Lombard General Insurance has formed a strategic partnership with Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services Limited to distribute motor insurance products. Who is the MD and CEO of ICICI Lombard General Insurance as of 2025? तो हाल ही में ICICI Lombard General Insurance ने मोटर बीमा प्रोडक्ट्स के वितरण के लिए महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज लिमिटेड के साथ एक रणनीतिक साझेदारी की। 2025 तक आईसीआईसी लोम्बार्ड जनरल इंश्योरेंस के एमडी और सीईओ कौन होंगे? राइट आंसर क्या रहेगा? संजीव मंत्री। आईसीआईसी लोम्बार्ड जनरल इंश्योरेंस हैज फॉर्म्ड अ स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप विद महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा Financial Services Limited to distribute motor insurance products. The partnership aims to leverage Mahindra Finance extensive rural and semi-urban network to expand insurance penetration across India. Mahindra Finance customers will get access to ICICI Lombard complete motor insurance portfolio. The collaboration focuses on financial inclusion by targeting over 11 million Mahindra Finance customers with integrated insurance solution. MD and CEO of ICICI Lombard, Sanjeev Mantri. MD and CEO of Mahindra Finance, Raul Robelo. Next question. What is the name of the new term insurance plan launched by Tata AIA Life Insurance for Women? टाटा AIA लाइफ इंश्योरेंस द्वारा महिलाओं के लिए शुरू की गई नई टर्म इंश्योरेंस योजना का नाम क्या है? वो है शुभ शक्ति। ऑप्शन सी इज द right answer. Tata AIA Life Insurance launched a new term insurance plan named Subh Shakti, exclusively designed for women. The plan provides life cover and benefits tailored to women's financial and health needs. Launch aligned with increasing female workforce participation, which reached 41.7% in financial year 24. The Tata AIA survey revealed that 89% of married women depend on a husband for financial planning. Key features of Subh Shakti plan: 15% lower premium for women, 1% lifetime discount for single mother, 12 months premium break allowed after childbirth. Offers women-specific health service like PCOD support, IVF counseling, vaccination, annual health checkups. Next question. The Insurance Broker Association of India IBAI released a report titled Leading the Path to Insurance for All Brokers of the Future in collaboration with the McKinsey and Company. According to this report, what is the projected growth of India's insurance sector by 2030? Right answer: from rupees 11 lakh crore to rupees 25 lakh crore. Option C is the right answer of this question. Insurance Broker Association of India यानी कि IBAI ने McKinsey and Company के सहयोग से सभी के लिए बीमा की राह पर अग्रसर भविष्य का ब्रोकर शीर्षक से एक रिपोर्ट जारी की है। इस रिपोर्ट के अनुसार 2030 तक भारत के बीमा क्षेत्र की अनुमानित वृद्धि दर क्या है? तो 11 लाख करोड़ रुपए से 25 लाख करोड़ रुपए तक। ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर। IBAI, full form Insurance Broker Association of India, celebrated its 24th Foundation Day and released a report titled Leading the Path to Insurance for All Brokers of the Future. The report was launched in Mumbai by Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan, Governor of Maharashtra. The report was prepared in collaboration with McKinsey and company as the knowledge partner. It projects that India's insurance sector could grow from rupees 11 lakh crore in 2024 to rupees 25 lakh crore by 2030. About Insurance Broker Association of India, IBAI is the officially recognized association of all licensed insurance broker in India, incorporated under Section 25 of the Companies Act 1956. Headquartered Mumbai, Maharashtra. President Narendra Kumar Bharnwal. IBAI is an Indian trade association and regulatory body for insurance brokers in India. All licensed insurance brokers in India must be members of the IBAI insurance broker regulations. Next question. The Life Insurance Corporation of India recently entered into forward rate agreements (FRAs) worth $1 billion with major Wall Street banks. What is the primary purpose of LIC engaging in FRA? तो LIC ने हाल ही में प्रमुख वॉल स्ट्रीट बैंकों के साथ $1 अरब मूल्य के फॉरवर्ड रेट एग्रीमेंट किए हैं। LIC द्वारा FRA में शामिल होने का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या है? To lock in future bond yields and hedge against potential falling interest rates. Option B is the right answer of this question. The LIC has entered into a forward rate agreement FRA worth $1 billion with major Wall Street banks including JP Morgan Chase and Company and Bank of America Corporation. Through FRA, LIC can lock in future bond yield to protect its income and from potential falling interest rates. About the LIC, founded in 1st September 1956, headquartered Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next question. How much has the AIIB invested in non-convertible debentures NCDs issued by Aditya Birla Capital Limited? तो AIIB ने आदित्य बिरला कैपिटल लिमिटेड द्वारा जारी गैर परिवर्तनीय डिबेंचर में कितना निवेश किया है? 1301.25 crore rupees. Option C is the right answer of this question. About the AIIB, important information जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए. The AIIB, full form Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, is a multilateral development bank that aims to improve social and economic outcomes in Asia by investing in sustainable infrastructure and other productive sectors. The AIIB focuses on areas such as transportation, energy, water, urban development, and digital infrastructure. Founded year 2016, headquartered Beijing, China. President Jin Linquin, or members 110. Look, okay. The AIIB has subscribed to 1301.25 crore worth on non-convertible debentures issued by Aditya Birla Capital Limited (ABCL). The investment is a 3-year privately placed funding aimed at supporting renewable energy and electric mobility projects in India. The financing will support lending for renewable energy generation, including solar, wind, geothermal, pumped storage, hydrogen production, energy storage system. AIIB has assisted ABCL in enhancing its environmental and social management system to align with AIIB's framework for improved governance in sub-projects. Next. क्वेश्चंस रहेगा आपका स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, किस तरह से पूछा जाता है वो एक देख लेते हैं. तो कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द KVB Shima General Insurance Partnership. The partnership aims to deliver a specially designed insurance product for rural and agriculture focused communities. What is the right answer? ये सही स्टेटमेंट है? Yes, it's true. It's a correct statement. The product name Shema Kisan Sathyanthi offers dual benefits for financial security and livelihood stability. Yeah, it's correct. The alliance is expected to leverage SEMA hospital network and KVB's ATM network for premium collection. No, it's incorrect. Right answer. Which of the above statement are correct? So, 1 and 2 only is the correct statement. इस तरह से statement based question पूछे जाते हैं. इस तरह से question आएंगे. एक sample question था. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला गया है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट इंक्लूडेड इन द AUSFB LIC पार्टनरशिप. निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा जीवन बीमा उत्पाद AUSFB LIC साझेदारी में शामिल नहीं है? व्हीकल इंश्योरेंस प्लान. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. क्या बोला गया है? अबाउट AU स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक. आप बाद में देखेंगे, पहले देख लेते हैं कंटेंट में क्या बोला गया है. AU स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक हैज एंटर्ड इनटू अ पार्टनरशिप विद द LIC, the country largest life insurer. The collaboration supports the national goal of insurance for all by 2047 by enhancing insurance penetration in rural and semi-urban areas. The AUSFB will distribute LIC comprehensive range of LIC life insurance product including term insurance, endowment plans, whole life policies, pension and annuity, offering child specific plans. These products will be available across more than 2,456 AUSFB banking outlets in 21 states and 4 union territories, expanding LICDs to underserved segments of India. The partnership is a milestone for AUSFB in becoming a full spectrum financial services provider, integrating banking, protection and long-term financial planning on one platform. For LIC, this tie-up provides access to credible customer-centric banking partners to broaden its reach. About the AU Small Finance Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, founded in 1996 by Sanjay Agarwal, is the largest small finance bank in India and operates as a scheduled commercial bank. MD and CEO Sanjay Agarwal, as of 31st of March 2025, AU Small Finance Bank serves over 1.13 crore customers, has a balance sheet size of 1.57 trillion rupees and holds a AA stable credit rating. Okay, next question. What is the name of the innovation challenge launched by HDFC Life in collaboration with IIT Bombay SINE? तो IIT बॉम्बे के SINE के सहयोग से HDFC लाइफ द्वारा शुरू की गई नवाचार चुनौती का नाम क्या है? HDFC लाइफ इंश्योरेखा. ठीक है. Option C is the right answer. HDFC Life in collaboration with SINE, full form Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. IIT Bombay has launched HDFC Life Insurekha Innovation Challenge for startups across India. The initiative aims to promote technology-driven innovation in the life insurance sector by inviting startups to develop solutions that enhance customer experience. Participating startups will gain mentorship with visibility and opportunities to work on real-world problem statement from HDFC Life. HDFC Life is a subsidiary of HDFC Bank Limited, one of India's leading private sector banks. Okay, next question. Which insurance company has partnered with AU Small Finance Bank under a corporate agency tie-up in July 2025? Right answer LIC. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. तो किस बीमा कंपनी ने LIC ने जुलाई 2025 में कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी टाई अप के तहत AU स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक के साथ साझेदारी की है? LIC and AU Small Finance Bank have entered into a corporate agency tie-up. Under this arrangement, AU Small Finance Bank will distribute LIC products such as annuity, ULIP, term insurance and saving across its branches and digital channels. The partnership is officially launched on 14th of July 2025. This collaboration aims to enhance financial inclusion and increase insurance penetration, especially in underserved and rural areas. AU Small Finance Bank has strong presence in rural and underserved segments, which will help expands LIC reach. About the AU Small Finance Bank, founded in 1996, headquartered Jaipur, Rajasthan, MD CEO Sanjay Agarwal. Next question. What is the name of the new fund launched by Aegis Federal Life Insurance in July 2025. Right answer, India Sector Leaders Fund. Option C is the right answer. Aegis Federal Life Insurance launched the India Sector Leaders Fund targeting investors with a medium to long-term investment horizon. The fund new fund offer NFO starts from July 14 with a flat rupees 10 net asset value at launch. ठीक है, next question. LIC signed an MOU with which ministry to promote the बीमा सखी योजना? तो बीमा सखी योजना को बढ़ावा देने के लिए LIC ने किस मंत्रालय के साथ समझौता ज्ञापन पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं? राइट आंसर, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट. ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. LIC signed an MOU with the Ministry of Rural Development during the Anubhuti Conclave in Goa held from July 8 to 10, 2025. The aims is to promote the Bima Sakhi Yojana to empower rural women through LIC agency roles. Women from self-help group will get full agent benefits of monthly stipends rupees 7,000 1 year, rupees 6,000 2 year and rupees 5,000 year 3. The scheme aligns with the Day NRLM focusing on financial independence and rural income generation. It seeks to improve insurance outreach in underserved regions. The strategy collaboration blends insurance access with livelihood support. Next question. Which small finance bank has partnered with Shriram Life Insurance Company to distribute life insurance products? तो किस लघु वित्त बैंक ने जीवन बीमा उत्पादों के वितरण के लिए श्रीराम लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के साथ साझेदारी की है? ESAF Small Finance Bank. Option D is the right answer. Shriram Life Insurance Company has partnered with ESAF Small Finance Bank to expand the reach of life insurance product. Under the partnership, ESAF Bank will act as a corporate agent for Shriram Life, distributing insurance through its branch network. The focus is on first-time insurance buyers, low-income families, and rural households. ESAF Small Finance Bank received its banking license from RBI in November 2016 and started operations on 10th of March 2017. MD and CEO of ESAF Small Finance Bank, Paul Thomas. Next question. What is the penalty amount imposed by IRDAI on Star Health and Allied Insurance Company for violating cyber security norms? तो cyber security norms का उल्लंघन करने के लिए स्टार हेल्थ एंड एलाइड इंश्योरेंस कंपनी पर IRDAI द्वारा लगाया गया जुर्माना राशि क्या है? 3.39 करोड़ रुपीस. ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. The IRDAI imposed a penalty of rupees 3.39 crore and issued a warning to Star Health and Allied Insurance Company for violating information and cyber security norms. There is a rising concerns over norms violation by insurer, including a high incidence of mis-selling. To strengthen enforcement, IRDAI has formed a special panels comprising whole-time member to address violations of the Insurance Act and related regulations by insurer and intermediaries. Star Health, founded in 2006 by Venkateswamy Jagannathan and headquartered in Chennai, is India's first standalone health insurer. Anand Roy, appointed in May 2023, is the MD and CEO of Star Health. Next question. Which two insurance companies have been selected as Tesla's preferred partners in India? तो भारत में टेस्ला के पसंदीदा साझेदार के रूप में किन दो बीमा कंपनियों का चयन किया गया है? Liberty General Insurance and Echo. Option B is the right answer of this question. Tesla has announced its entry into India. The selected Liberty General Insurance and Echo as its preferred insurance partner to offer tailored digital-first protection plans for Indian Tesla customers. Liberty General Insurance emphasizes its specialized over designs to match Tesla innovation. Echo committed to providing a fully digital, hassle-free experience for Tesla owners. Zurich Kotak General Insurance launched EV Protect and add-on under its Car Secure policy, offering premium comprehensive coverage for Tesla and other electric vehicles. This initiative highlights Zurich Kotak focus on innovation and sustainability in India's expanding electric vehicles market. About The Liberty General Insurance, founded in 2013, headquartered Mumbai, CEO and whole-time director Parag Vaid. MD and CEO of Zurich Kotak, Alok Agrawal. MD and CEO Echo General Insurance, Animesh Das. Next question. What is the amount of penalty imposed by IRDAI on Policy Bazaar? Rupees 5 crore is the right answer. IRDAI has imposed a rupees 5 crore penalty on Policy Bazaar insurance brokers for violations of insurance norms. The penalty was levied on Miss Policy Bazaar Web Aggregator Private Limited, which is now renamed as a Policy Bazaar Insurance Broker Private Limited. The action was taken due to lapses and violations under the Insurance Act 1938 and related rules and regulations. Along with the penalty, IRDAI issued directions, advisory and cautions to the company. Policy Bazaar, founded in 2008, has sold over 42 million policies since its inception. Next question. What is the primary objective of the Bima Sakhi scheme launched on December 9, 2024 by the Government of India in collaboration with LIC? तो भारत सरकार के द्वारा LIC के सहयोग से 9 दिसंबर 2024 को शुरू की गई बीमा सखी योजना का प्राथमिक उद्देश्य क्या है? ट्रेनिंग वुमेन एज महिला करियर एजेंट्स फॉर रूरल इंश्योरेंस आउटरीच. ऑप्शन बी is the right answer of this question. Launched on December 9, 2024, the Bima Sakhi scheme is a Government of India initiative implemented by Life Insurance Corporation to promote women empowerment and rural insurance outreach by training women as Mahila Career Agents (MCAs). Empowerment through employment. Bima Sakhi are appointed as Mahila Career Agents, providing them structured income and career paths in LIC. Next question. Recently, who chaired the Finance Ministry meeting urging public sector banks and insurance firms to expedite the resolutions of public grievances. तो हाल ही में किसने वित्त मंत्रालय की बैठक की अध्यक्षता की जिसमें सार्वजनिक क्षेत्र के बैंकों और बीमा कंपनियों से सार्वजनिक शिकायतों के समाधान में तेजी लाने का आग्रह किया गया? एम नागराजू इज द राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन बी. The Finance Ministry asked PSBs, public sector banks and insurance firms to speed up the resolutions of public grievances. The meeting was chaired by Financial Services Secretary M. Nagaraju and included complaints, PSBs, public sector insurance company and regulators. Next question. Which company is promoted by the founders of GoDigit and has received a reinsurer license from IRDAI? तो कौन सी कंपनी GoDigit के संस्थापकों द्वारा प्रवर्तित है और उसे IRDAI से पुनः बीमाकर्ता लाइसेंस प्राप्त हुआ है? वैल्यू एट एक्स-रे इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. वैल्यू एट एक्स-रे. ठीक है. वैल्यू एट एक्स-रे promoted by GoDigit founders Kamesh Goyal and Prem Vats has received a reinsurer license from the IRDAI. It is the first reinsurer license exclusively under IRDAI revamped framework with an initial paid-up capital of rupees 210 crore. The promoters included Oben Ventures LLP and FAL Corporation. At present, state-owned GIC Re, General Insurance Corporation of India, GIC Re, is the only domestic reinsurer. ये important, okay? At present, state-owned GIC Re is the only domestic reinsurer. Currently, 12 foreign reinsurance branches are operating in the country, including those of Munich Re, Swiss Re, and Lloyd's of London. Next question. According to the FAB 25 report, what recent changes has IRDAI introduced regarding UPI payments for reinsurance premium? तो फरवरी 2025 की रिपोर्ट के अनुसार बीमा प्रीमियम के लिए यूपीआई भुगतान के संबंध में IRDAI ने हाल ही में क्या बदलाव किए हैं? Customers can block premium amounts using a one-time UPI mandates. Option B is the right answer of this question. क्या बोला गया है? IRDAI has permitted a one-time UPI mandate for blocking premium amounts for life and health insurance policies. Previously, no premium deposit proposal deposits was required while submitting a proposal form, except for policies issued based on a declaration of good health where coverage starts immediately upon payment. ठीक है, IRDAI ने जीवन और स्वास्थ्य बीमा पॉलिसियों के लिए प्रीमियम राशि को ब्लॉक करने के लिए एक बार के यूपीआई अधिदेश की अनुमति दी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. As per FAB 25 report, who is the leading the high-powered committee formed by IRDAI to scrutinize the Insurance Act 1938? फरवरी 2025 की रिपोर्ट के अनुसार बीमा अधिनियम 1938 की जांच के लिए IRDAI द्वारा गठित उच्च स्तरीय समिति का नेतृत्व कौन कर रहा है? दिनेश खारा. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. IRDAI has formed a high-powered committee led by Dinesh Khara, former SBI chairman, to scrutinize various aspects of the Insurance Act 1938 and suggest amendments. The committee was established as the Indian government prepares to introduce the Insurance Amendment Bill in Parliament, which proposes 100% foreign direct investment in the insurance sector. The 7-member panel includes N.S. Kannan, former MD and CEO of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance; Girish Radhakrishnan, former CMD of United India Insurance; Rakesh Joshi, former member of IRDAI; Saurabh Sinha, former executive director of RBI; Alok Misra, MD and CEO MFIN; L. Vishwanathan, a legal expert. The committee has already conducted its first meeting, signaling a swift approach towards implementing the proposed changes. Next question. Which life insurance company partnered with Equitas Small Finance Bank to expand insurance accessibility? तो किस जीवन बीमा कंपनी ने बीमा पहुंच का विस्तार करने के लिए इक्विटास स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक के साथ साझेदारी की है? आदित्य बिरला सन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इज द राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन बी. Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited partners with Equitas Small Finance Bank to expand life insurance accessibility through the bank's branch network. Equitas customers can access ABSLI life insurance product directly to bank branches, including salary term plan, Nishchit Ayush plan, assured saving plan. These cover protection, savings, and retirement solutions. The partnership aims to promote financial inclusion, especially in semi-urban and rural markets where Equitas has a strong presence. It targets previously underserved communities. Next question. What is the amount of the penalty imposed on Echo General Insurance by IRDAI? Rupees 1 crore is the right answer. IRDAI imposed a penalty of rupees 1 crore in Echo General Insurance. Reason for penalty: violations of regulations and outsourcing activities, breach of norms related to payment of commissions, enumeration or reward to insurance agent and intermediaries. Compliance instructions: IRDAI ordered that the penalty order must be placed before Echo board in the upcoming board meeting. The insurer is required to provide a copy of the minutes of this discussion to IRDAI. Next question. What is the name of the insurance scheme launched by IPPB for unorganized sector workers? What is the right answer? Antyodaya Shramik Suraksha Yojana. असंगठित क्षेत्र के श्रमिकों के लिए आईपीपीबी द्वारा शुरू की गई बीमा योजना का नाम अंत्योदय श्रमिक योजना है. इंडिया पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक emphasized its commitment to the welfare of Shramik laborers on the occasion of Labor Day 1st of May. IPPB launched the Antyodaya Shramik Suraksha Yojana for unorganized sector workers, which is an affordable insurance scheme providing comprehensive coverage and protection. The Antyodaya Shramik Suraksha Yojana was launched by Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat on 8th of July 2023 at Kheda, Gujarat. 6,97,531 policies have been issued to laborers or Shramiks under the scheme since its inception, with 355 claims settled, amounting to a total claim amount of rupees 5 crore 41 lakh 17,754 rupees. Next question. What new digital service has LIC introduced for its policyholders in May 2025? Premium payment via WhatsApp bot. Option B is the right answer. LIC has introduced their WhatsApp-based premium payment facility for policyholders. This online facility allows registered customers to check policy details and pay premium via WhatsApp board. Payments can be made using UPI, net banking, or cards within the WhatsApp interface. The full customer journey from identifying policies due for payment to payment and receipt generation takes place within the WhatsApp board. This service offers convenience, allowing customers to pay LIC premium from anywhere at any time. Next, what is the primary objective of the partnership between Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance and Equitas Small Finance Bank, announced on 22nd of May 2025? Right answer: to enhance life insurance accessibility, especially in semi-urban and rural areas. Option C is the right answer. On 22nd of May 2025, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance partnered with Equitas Small Finance Bank to enhance life insurance accessibility, particularly for semi-urban and rural areas. Important key highlights and partnership: expanded coverage. Equitas Small Finance Bank customers can access protection, saving, retirement, and ULIP plus directly through bank branches. Financial inclusion. The collaboration aligns with India's Insurance for All by 2047 goal, ensuring affordable life insurance for underserved communities. Tailored plan. Introduction of the salary term plan for income protection and Nishchit Ayush plan for assured long-term benefits. Next question. According to the Allianz Global Insurance Report 2025, at what annual rate is India's life insurance sector projected to grow? Right answer: 10.5%. Option D is the right answer. The report is titled Allianz Global Insurance Report 2025, released by Allianz Global Insurance on 28th of May 2025. Key finds important: India's growth. The life insurance sector in India is projected to grow 10.5% annually, surpassing the global average of 5%. Regional impact: India is expected to overtake Japan as Asia's second largest life insurance market behind China's 7.8% annual growth. Government policies: India raised the FDI limit in insurance to 100%, up from 74%, to attract global investment. This report highlights India's rising prominence in the global insurance market and the impact of policy reforms. Next question. Which bank has partnered with New India Assurance to offer general insurance products? किस बैंक ने सामान्य बीमा उत्पादों की पेशकश के लिए न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस के साथ साझेदारी की है? बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. Bank of India will offer its customers a variety of general insurance products from the New India Assurance following an agreement between the companies which was announced. The partnership aims to make insurance more accessible to the bank's customer by taking advantage of Bank of India's network of 5,200 branches across the country and New India Assurance expertise in the insurance field. With this tie-up, Bank of India customer will have access to insurance solutions including health, motor, personal accident, home and commercial insurance products offered by NIACL, a systematically important insurance company. The public sector banks released stated about the Bank of India founded in 1906, headquartered Mumbai, Maharashtra, MD and CEO Rajnish Karnataka, and tagline relationship beyond banking. About the New India Assurance, headquartered Mumbai, chairman and MD Mrs. Girja Subramanian, and founded in 1919. Next question. Which insurance company has signed an agreement with CIRL to provide insurance repository services? Right answer: Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC is the right answer. तो LIC ने बीमा रिपोजिटरी सेवाएं प्रदान करने के लिए CIRL के साथ समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं. CIRL फुल फॉर्म Centrico Insurance Repository, a subsidiary of Central Depository Services India Limited, CDSL, has entered into an agreement with Life Insurance Corporation of India. CIRL will provide insurance repository services to LIC under their request for proposal processes. About the LIC, headquartered Mumbai MDNCOR Doraiswamy founded in 1956. Next question. What is the name of the feature introduced by Juno General Insurance that integrates Pay How You Drive PHYD into its motor insurance policy? तो Juno General Insurance द्वारा शुरू की गई उस सुविधा का नाम क्या है जो पे हाउ यू ड्राइव को अपनी मोटर बीमा पॉलिसियों में एकीकृत करती है? राइट आंसर जूनो स्मार्ट ड्राइव, ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. जूनो जनरल इंश्योरेंस हैज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड Juno Smart Drive integrating the pay how you drive features into its motor insurance policies. तो Juno जनरल इंश्योरेंस ने Juno Smart Drive की शुरुआत की जो अपनी मोटर बीमा पॉलिसियों में पे हाउ यू ड्राइव सुविधा की को एकीकृत करती है. अबाउट द जूनो जनरल इंश्योरेंस. जूनो जनरल इंश्योरेंस फॉर्मली नोन एज अ Edelweiss General Insurance Company Limited, established in 2017, headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next question. Which insurance company has signed an agreement with CIRL to provide insurance repository services? Right answer LIC. LIC ने बीमा रेपोजिटरी सेवाएं प्रदान करने के लिए CIRL के साथ समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं. सेंट्रिको इंश्योरेंस रेपोजिटरी इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CIRL. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. According to the Brand Finance Insurance 100 2025 report, what position did the LIC secure among the world's strongest insurance brands? Third is the right answer. ब्रांड फाइनेंस इंश्योरेंस 100 2025 की रिपोर्ट के अनुसार LIC ने दुनिया के सबसे मजबूत बीमा ब्रांडों में से तीसरा स्थान हासिल किया है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ब्रांड फाइनेंस इंश्योरेंस 100 2025 report released on 10th of March 2025, the LIC has secured the third position among the world's strongest insurance brands. LIC achieved a brand strength index score of 88 out of 100, earnings and AAA brand strength rating, which reflects its robust reputation, trust, and market performance. The report, compiled by the London-based brand valuation consultancy Brand Finance, ranks the top 100 insurance brands globally based on their brand strength and value. Poland's PZU topped the list with exceptional BSI scores of 94.4 and AAA plus rating, followed by China Life Insurance in second place with a BSI score 93.5, also rated AAA plus. LIC third place ranking marks a notable achievement, having slipped from its position as the world's strongest insurance brand in the 2024 report BSI 88.3. In terms of brand value, LIC ranks 12th globally with evaluations that contributes to its prominence, while SBI Life Insurance, another Indian insurer, climbed to 74th, up 13 spots with a brand value increase of 27% to $1.6 billion US. Next question. Which insurance company launched the Shitara Health campaign in Tamil Nadu? Right answer, Star Health Insurance. The Star Health Insurance launched the Shitara Health campaign in Tamil Nadu to celebrate International Women's Day. This is a crucial step. Tamil Nadu factories employ nearly 42% of Indian women workers, 6.3 lakh approx. Star Health Insurance will organize 40 plus camps across Tamil Nadu. These camps will provide essential health screening service to women and subsidized rates. This will include tests for measuring thyroid function, hemoglobin level, blood sugar, blood pressure, and bone mineral density. The company will also host a special webinar to explain how women can achieve a work balance and prioritize their health in the age of AI. The event will be led by a prominent gynecologist. Besides, it will also host a flagship event at its Anna Nagar branch to recognize the contribution of its women employees. Next question. Which of the following is not one of the newly launched child products by SBI Life Insurance? तो निम्न में से कौन सा SBI Life Insurance द्वारा हाल ही में लॉन्च किए गए बाल उत्पादों में से एक नहीं है? वो है SBI Life Smart Child Growth. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. नहीं है पूछा गया है. ओके. SBI Life Insurance, one of India's most trusted private life insurance, has launched two new child products. First, SBI Life Smart Future Star and SBI Life Smart Platina Young Achiever is specially curated to empower parents in securing their child's future aspiration. ये आप देख सकते हैं, वीडियो को पॉज करके ये PDF डाउनलोड करके about the SBI Life Smart Future Star and about the SBI Life Smart Platina Young Achiever. Next question. Which companies have been reaffirmed as domestic systematically important insurer DCs for the fiscal year 2024-25? LIC, the New India Assurance, and GIC Ray. Option B is the right answer. The IRDAI has reaffirmed the designations of the LIC and the New India Assurance Company and General Insurance Corporation of India GIC Ray as domestic systematically important insurer for the fiscal year 24-25. This classification underscores their critical role in maintaining the stability of India's financial system. Understanding these is domestic systematically important insurer or entities whose failure or financial distress could significantly disrupt the domestic financial system due to their substantial size, market significance, and interconnectedness with other financial institutions. Next question. As per the IRDAI directive issued on January 30, 2025, what is the maximum annual increase allowed in health insurance premium for senior citizen? 10% is the right answer. 30 जनवरी 2025 को जारी IRDAI के निर्देश के अनुसार वरिष्ठ नागरिकों के लिए स्वास्थ्य बीमा प्रीमियम में अधिकतम वार्षिक वृद्धि कितनी है? तो वो है 10%. The IRDAI issued the directive to cap health insurance premium increase for senior citizen on 30 of January 2025. Cap on premium hikes. Health insurance premium for senior citizens cannot be increased by more than 10% annually. Approval for higher increases and increases beyond the 10% cap requires prior approval from IRDAI. No product withdrawal insurers cannot withdraw individual health insurance plans specifically designed for senior citizens. Common hospital networks. IRDAI urges insurers to adopt a common empanelment of hospitals to standardize hospitalizations, package, and reduce cost. Grievance redressal. Insurer must set up dedicated grievance redressal system specifically for senior citizens. Next question. According to the report, the IRDAI unveils Bima Trinity plans review insurance sector at 9th Bima Manthan. Which of the following is not a component of Bima Trinity? तो रिपोर्ट के अनुसार IRDAI ने नवे बीमा मंथन में बीमा क्षेत्र की समीक्षा करते हुए बीमा ट्रिनिटी योजना का अनावरण किया है. निम्न में से कौन बीमा ट्रिनिटी का घटक नहीं है? वो है बीमा शक्ति. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. IRDAI held the 9th edition of Bima Manthan, its quarterly review meeting with insurance company CEO on Feb 13 to 14. Bima Trinity consists of three key components: Bima Sugam, a unified digital marketplace for selling, servicing, and claiming insurance policies across insurer; Bima Vistara, first of its kind composite insurance product covering life, accident, property, and hospitalization; Bima Vahak, a women-centric localized insurance distribution model to boost insurance penetration. About the IRDAI headquarters Hyderabad, Chairperson Rajesh Seth, founded in 1999. Next question. What is the name of the new insurance plan introduced by Policybazaar and HDFC Life? Right answer. HDFC Life Click to Protect Ultimate. Option B is the right answer of this question. In a groundbreaking move, Policybazaar has partnered with HDFC Life, a leading player in India's life insurance sector, to launch the HDFC Life Click to Protect Ultimate. This collaboration is poised to set new standards in the insurance domain, positioning both Policybazaar and HDFC Life at this forefront of innovation and customer satisfaction. About the HDFC Life headquarters Mumbai, founded in 2000, CEO Vibha Padla का subsidiaries HDFC Life Insurance, HDFC Pension Management, HDFC Life Asset Management. About the Policybazaar headquarters Gurugram, founded in 2008, CEO Sarbvir Singh. Next question. In which rural area both Liberty General Insurance and Maruti Suzuki Insurance Broking Boost insurance awareness, expanded its outreach. ग्राम पंचायत in पंजाब. तो लिबर्टी जनरल इंश्योरेंस और मारुति सुजुकी इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकिंग बूस्ट इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस ने किन ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में अपनी पहुंच का विस्तार किया है? तो ग्राम पंचायत पंजाब में किया है. लिबर्टी जनरल इंश्योरेंस इन कोलैबोरेशन विद मारुति सुजुकी इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड is committed to enhancing insurance awareness and accessibility through its Bima Prachar or Prasar initiative. As the non-life insurer for Delhi Liberty is extending its outreach to underserved communities in Punjab, such as in Gram Panchayat, with programs like free vehicles inspection, eye checkups, and educational session on insurance. Next question. What is the full form of ASBA in the Bima ASBA payment mechanism? Right answer. Application supported by blocked amount. Option B is the right answer. IRDAI launched Bima ASB application supported by blocked amount on 18th of Feb 2025. This new payment mechanism allows policyholders to use UPI to make insurance premium payments more convenient. With Bima ASB, a policyholder can block funds in their bank account for premium payments. Their funds are held until the transaction is completed, ensuring smooth and secure payment without immediate debits from the account. The system aims to enhance the ease of paying insurance premium and will be effective from 1st of March 2025. Next question. What is the primary objective of LIC One Man Office OMO initiative? तो LIC की वन मैन ऑफिस OMO पहल का प्राथमिक उद्देश्य क्या है? To empower LIC agents and sales associates with 24/7 digital services. Option A is the right answer. The LIC launched its One Man Office initiative on 17th of Feb 2025, aims to empower LIC agents and sales associates with 24/7 digital services, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Important highlights: provides a comprehensive digital ecosystem for policy, sales, after sales services, business tracking, and training resources accessible via mobile phones, enabling agents to serve policyholder anytime, anywhere. Integrated with LIC Ananda platform, offering features like premium calculator, benefits illustrations, e-NACH registrations, online loan request renewal, premium payments, and claim related documentation submission. Next question. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and Reinsurance Group of America has introduced a new health insurance product. How long does ICICI Pru Wish Premium Guarantee help customers better plan their premium payments? तो ICICI Prudential Life Insurance और Reinsurance Group of America ने एक नया स्वास्थ्य बीमा उत्पाद पेश किया है. आईसीआईसी प्रू विश की प्रीमियम गारंटी कितने समय तक ग्राहकों को अपने प्रीमियम भुगतान की बेहतर योजना बनाने में मदद करती है? वो करती है 30 ईयर्स. ऑप्शन डी इज द right answer. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance has partnered with Reinsurance Group of America RGA to launch a unique health insurance product, premium guarantee and payment flexibility. ICICI Pru Wish offers a premium guarantee for 30 years, helping customers plan their premium payments better. About the ICICI Pru, February 2000, headquartered Mumbai, MD Anup Bagchi. It was established as a joint venture between ICICI Bank Limited and Prudential Corporation Holdings Limited. Next question. Which company has launched a special insurance plan designed for visitors to Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, which will host the Mahakumbh Mela from Jan 13 to Feb 26? Right answer. PhonePe is the right answer. Next question. Which insurance company has partnered with Saraswat Cooperative Bank, one of the biggest urban co-ops in India, to provide bank assurance services? What is the right answer? PNB MetLife. Option C is the right answer. तो किस बीमा कंपनी ने पीएनबी मेटलाइफ ने बैंक बीमा सेवाएं प्रदान करने के लिए भारत की सबसे बड़ी शहरी सहकारी समितियों में से एक सारस्वत सहकारी बैंक के साथ साझेदारी की है? पीएनबी मेटलाइफ हैज एंटर्ड इनटू अ बैंक एश्योरेंस पार्टनरशिप विद सारस्वत कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, one of India's largest urban cooperative bank, promoting PNB MetLife brand positioning. The collaboration reinforced PNB MetLife brand slogan "मिलकर लाइफ आगे बढ़ाएं", meaning together move life forward. PNB MetLife headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. MD CEO Sameer Bansal, founded in 2001. Next question. Which company launched the insuring Heroes campaign ahead of International Women's Day 2025. फोन पे इज द राइट आंसर। फोन पे ने अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस 2025 से पहले इंश्योरेंस हीरोज अभियान शुरू किया है। फोन पे launched its Ensuring Heroes campaign ahead of the International Women's Day. International Women's Day is observed every year on 8th of March. As part of the initiative, the company is offering exclusive discounts of up to 30%, specifically for women on select terms life and health insurance plans. It is available on the PhonePe platform until 9th of March 2025. About PhonePe, headquartered Bengaluru, founded in 2015, CEO Sameer Nigam. Next question. What type of partnership has been established between IPPB and PNB MetLife India Insurance? तो IPPB और PNB MetLife India Insurance के बीच किस प्रकार की साझेदारी स्थापित की गई है? बैंक अश्योरेंस अलायंस, ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर। इंडिया पोस्ट पेमेंट्स बैंक्स एंड PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited announced a strategic partnerships to expand life insurance access across India. This partnership, known as the Bancassurance Alliance, combines the strengths of both organizations. IPPB extensive network of 650 banking outlets of 110 million customers and PNB MetLife expertise in life insurance products. The main goal of this alliance are enhancing financial inclusion by offering life insurance solutions through IPPB wide reach. More individuals, especially in underserved area, can access financial protection, providing financial security. This collaboration aims to ensure better financial security for customers by offering comprehensive life insurance products tailored on their needs. Next question. Which entity is recently entered into a bank assurance partnership to offer life insurance products to customer? तो हाल ही में किन दो संस्थाओं ने ग्राहकों को जीवन बीमा उत्पाद प्रदान करने के लिए बैंक अश्योरेंस साझेदारी की है? SBM Bank India and HDFC Prudential Life Insurance. Option D is the right answer. SBI Bank India and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company have entered into a bank assurance partnership. Bank assurance is an arrangement between a bank and an insurance company, allowing the insurance company to sell its product to the bank's client. The partnership aims to offer a wide range of life insurance products to SBI Bank India's customer. Product offered will include term insurance, long-term saving, wealth creation products, retirement income planning solutions. SBI Bank India operates 22 branches across India, including a recently opened branch in Tivri, Naigaon, Maharashtra. Next question. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of LIC? R. Doraiswamy. Option B is the right answer of this question. Indian government appointed R. Doraiswamy as the new MD CEO of LIC, India's top insurance company. He will serve in this role until August 2028, replacing interim CEO Satpal Bhanu. This appointment is crucial for LIC leadership and future growth. Next question. Who has been appointed as the interim CEO of MD of LIC in June 2025? Satpal Bhanu is the right answer. Next question. ICICI Prudential Life launched an income guarantee product in volatile times. Who is the Chief Product and Distribution Officer of LIC Prudential Life Insurance? Right answer, Amit Palta. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance ने अस्थिर समय में आय गारंटी उत्पाद लॉन्च किया। आईसीआईसी प्रूडेंशियल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के मुख्य उत्पाद और वितरण अधिकारी कौन है? अमित पाल्टा। आईसीआईसी प्रूडेंशियल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस हैज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड आईसीआईसी प्रू गिफ्ट सेलेक्ट, a long-term saving product that offers guaranteed immediate income for liquidity. Amit Palta, Chief Product and Distribution Officer, stated that the product allows customers to customize guaranteed income based on their life goals and cash flow needs. आईसीआईसी प्रूडेंशियल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ने आईसीआईसी प्रू गिफ्ट सेलेक्ट पेश किया है, जो एक दीर्घकालिक बचत उत्पाद है जो नकदी के लिए तत्काल आय की गारंटी देता है। मुख्य उत्पाद और वितरण अधिकारी अमित पाल्टा ने कहा कि ये प्रोडक्ट ग्राहकों को उनके जीवन लक्ष्यों और नकदी प्रवाह की जरूरतों के लिए आधार पर गारंटीकृत आय को अनुकूलित करने की अनुमति देता है। अबाउट द आईसीआईसी प्रूडेंशियल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, हेडक्वार्टर मुंबई, CEO Anup Bagchi. Next question. Who among the following newly appointed members of IAC is the former chairman of the LIC? M.R. Kumar. ठीक है। आईएसी के निम्नलिखित नवनियुक्तों में से कौन एलआईसी के पूर्व अध्यक्ष हैं? वो हैं एमआर कुमार। आईएसी क्या होता है? इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजरी कमेटी, आईएसी। ओके, क्या बोला गया है? IRDAI recently reconstituted its IAC by appointing 5 new members to enhance its advisory capabilities. This move was announced on 20th of March 2025 and aims to bring diverse expertise to the panel, which advises the IRDAI on regulatory matters concerning the insurance industry in India. The newly appointed members are M.R. Kumar, former chairman of LIC, Dinesh Kumar Khara, former chairman of SBI, Visakha Mulye, CEO of Aditya Birla Capital, Nilesh Shah, MD of Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company, Alice Givrigis Vaidyan, former chairman and MD of General Insurance Corporation of India, GIC Ray. तो इसके साथ ही हमने कंप्लीट किया हमारा 10 मंथ्स का इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर न्यूज एमसीक्यूज फॉर्म में विद इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट। आप लोगों को किसी भी क्लास की पीडीएफ चाहिए, पीडीएफ के रिगार्डिंग कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप लोग मुझे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। क्लास अच्छी लगे तो शेयर जरूर करें, अदर स्टूडेंट्स को भी चैनल का नाम जरूर बताएं। चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं और डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप लोग मुझे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, सभी का लिंक आपको दिए गए हैं। जल्दी मिलते हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लास में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।